Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Brio Direct. Brio Direct is a new bank that has been popping up all over the internet lately. They're offering some pretty attractive deals, and they're promising to revolutionize the way we bank. But is Brio Direct a real bank? And is it safe to do business with them? I'm going to answer these questions and more in today's video. What is Brio Direct? Brio Direct is a digital bank that was founded in 2021. They're based in the United Kingdom, but they also offer services to customers in the United States and Canada. Brio Direct offers a variety of banking products and services, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, and loans. They also have a mobile app and online banking platform. Brio Direct is not a traditional bank. They don't have any physical branches. Instead, they operate entirely online. Is Brio Direct a real bank? Yes, Brio Direct is a real bank. They are regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, in the United Kingdom and the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, OCC, in the United States. This means that Brio Direct is subject to the same rules and regulations as other banks. This is important because it means that your money is safe with Brio Direct. Is Brio Direct safe to do business with? Yes, Brio Direct is safe to do business with. They are a regulated bank, and they have a good track record of protecting their customers' money. However, it's always important to do your own research before you open an account with any bank. This includes reading reviews from other customers and understanding the terms and conditions of the bank's products and services. What are the benefits of using Brio Direct? There are a number of benefits to using Brio Direct. Here are a few of the most notable. No monthly fees. Brio Direct doesn't charge any monthly fees for their checking or savings accounts. High interest rates. Brio Direct offers some of the highest interest rates on the market for their savings accounts. Low fees. Brio Direct charges low fees for things like overdrafts and foreign transactions. Convenient. Brio Direct is a digital bank, so you can manage your finances from anywhere at any time. Secure. Brio Direct uses state-of-the-art security measures to protect your money. What are the drawbacks of using Brio Direct? There are also a few drawbacks to using Brio Direct. Here are a few of the most notable. No physical branches. This can be a disadvantage for some people who prefer to do their banking in person. Limited customer service options. Brio Direct doesn't have a large customer service team, so you may have to wait a while to get help. Limited product offerings. Brio Direct doesn't offer as many products and services as some other banks. Is Brio Direct right for you? Brio Direct can be a good choice for people who are looking for a low-fee, high-interest rate bank account. They are also a good choice for people who prefer to do their banking online. However, Brio Direct may not be a good choice for people who need a lot of customer service or who want access to a physical branch. Brio Direct is a legitimate bank that offers a variety of banking products and services. They are a good choice for people who are looking for a low-fee, high-interest rate bank account. However, they may not be a good choice for people who need a lot of customer service or who want access to a physical branch. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use Brio Direct is up to you. It's important to weigh the pros and cons carefully before making a decision. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you learn more about Brio Direct. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'll be back next week with another video. Until then, stay safe and healthy. If you're interested in learning more about Brio Direct, I encourage you to visit their website or check out their social media channels.